What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing my results so far from my low content book publishing business. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want step-by-step instructions on everything that I did with my low content book publishing business, then check out the link in the description down below to go to Printing Profits. This is step-by-step teaching you exactly what I did to get my results, and students are also getting results as well. And as you can see, we have a 5-star review, 19 ratings for the course. Now you can also get here by going to printingprofits.com with no G. Now we're going to have a look at how many books I currently have published and how much money I've made this month, last year, this year, total it all up and have a look at my results. So let's scroll down to the bottom. All these are in review at the minute. So if we keep scrolling to the bottom, there's 10 books per page. So now I have 1,180-ish books published over on Amazon. Now I've been doing this for around 5 months now, so it was around the end of November, so December, January, February, March, April. Yep, this is coming up to my 5th month. This is coming up to my 5th month and I'm getting some pretty good results. So let's go over to AK Reports. This is one of the softwares I use, kind of cleans up your dashboard and shows you all your stats. So let's do, as you can see, yesterday I made £23.22. I average anywhere from £20 a day and above. Some days are better than others. So the last 7 days, let's take a little look. I made £216 for the month so far. This is April, so this month I've made £421. That's around $700-ish, I think. So £421 for the month. So let's do this month. I think I just had it on that, didn't I? Yep. So 421. Last month was a pretty good month. I think I had a few Mother's Day notebooks here in the UK sell quite a few copies. So let's do last month. That's £1,199.22, which I was really happy with. The previous month before that was February, where I sold quite a lot of Valentine's Day notebooks, and that brought my royalties up to over 2,000, which I'm happy about because I will be getting those royalties at the end of this month. So let's take a look at last year. So last year was just a little bit over a month. So that was £529. And then along with this year altogether, that's £4,134.77, which totals up to £4,663.77. Now that is around $6,000 earned in royalties, completely passive, in the space of 5 months. So I'm really happy with these results. And as you can see, I just had a sale come in right there. Now if you want to know how I got these results, I lay out everything that I've done within the Printing Profits course. So you can get there by going to printingprofits.com. We also have the Stackers Inner Circle. This is becoming a really great community now. If you want to join this is completely free. You will also find a link to this down in the description below. So come through and join. You can ask questions in here. Everyone's pretty responsive and we help each other out. Great little resource if you're getting into low content book publishing. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.